This is XPUMP, a portable home theatre system that gives you the power to unleash a surround sound effect at the touch of your fingertips. This gumstick-sized device simplifies the complex equipment traditionally needed for a home theatre system and gives you that same high-quality audio experience with just a pair of stereo speakers. Unlike conventional techniques that deal with two-dimensional sounds, XPUMP is able to reconstruct a three-dimensional soundstage. Our usual listening experience with stereo speakers is to hear the sounds coming from the left and right channels in both ears. But with XPUMP, we process the overlapping audio signals that reach the ears with an algorithm in real time, dynamically reconstructing the soundstage for a surround sound effect. This enhances the depth and width of audio details for sound accuracy, creating a sound field expansion up to 200% of the regular stereo. XPUMP not only upgrades the cinematic entertainment, brings the sounds of instruments, human voices, drum beats, and footsteps to your ears, but also restores the directional source of sounds for an immersive experience. The powerful audio algorithm runs every microsecond to detect, analyze, and reconstruct the sound source in real time for optimal presentation. More details are unlocked than the average surround sound effect, allowing the listener to experience the power of sound coming from all directions. Not to mention, we've also developed a headphone mode for you to enjoy a live audio experience on the go. You'll be able to hear music with rich details even from your phone.
Yeah, so what I thought was amazing was just with two speakers, I could hear every single little detail. It was almost like I was in a movie theater. I'd definitely like to have something like this in my home.
Yeah, amazing. The sound stage, the effects, it really felt like I was there. I got a real surround sound effects.
Sure, it was really great. I started off, I heard an immediate difference as soon as I hit the button. When I turned it off, the sound disappeared. It was not clear anymore, it was not great. It was perfect, it was like sitting in a movie theatre.
Our aim was to redefine the sound experience, no matter what the users are listening to. A clip from YouTube or Spotify, enjoying a movie with Netflix, or playing their favorite games. The experience is upgraded by simply plugging in XPUMP. We've spent years working on adjusting and optimizing our audio processing algorithm, and we've finally come up with a device that is designed to be conveniently portable and that eliminates all the complicated settings of a sound processor to make the listening experience better for everyone.
Drop the beat and experience sound like never before with XPUMP.